Crypto's big comeback 2024 recap, and what's next in 2025? Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm Ishaku Gomna, your public tech advisor. I know it's the end of the first quarter of 2025, and this video is coming somewhat late in the day, but I believe that this information is still useful down the line.
Yes!
Bear with me as we zoom out and take a look. Today we'll be breaking down the 2024 Annual Crypto Industry Report by CoinGecko. This report gives us a full recap of how the crypto space performed in 2024, closing up to 2025, what went up, what went down, and what we should be watching in the rest of 2025. And here's the thing, if you're serious about crypto investing and staying ahead in this fast-moving industry, you have to look back before moving forward. 2024 was a game changer for crypto. We saw Bitcoin massive comeback and its best year in a long time, the rise of AI-powered blockchain projects, and yes, AI and crypto are merging. Solana flipping Ethereum in DeFi trading, a huge shift. The US elections' impact on crypto, especially with Donald Trump's pro-crypto stand fueling market confidence. The insights from 2024 are key to making smart investments in 2025. If we don't understand what happened last year, we can't properly position ourselves for what's coming next. Now, I know crypto can sometimes feel overwhelming with all the numbers, charts, and technical terms, but don't worry, I will simplify it. Let's talk about it. Let's get you up to date. Crypto market recap. 2024 was a big year. The total cryptocurrency market capitalization saw a huge comeback last year. At the start of 2024, the market was valued at about $1.98 trillion, but by the end of the year, it had nearly doubled, closing at $3.91 trillion. That's almost a 98% increase in just 12 months.
Wow.
If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you know that 2022 and 2023 were rough years. But 2024 brought back the bull market vibes. So what drove this growth? A few key things. Bitcoin's strong performance. More on that soon. Institutional adoption. Big companies and investment firms jumped back into crypto. Layer 2 solutions improving blockchain speed and efficiency. A massive surge in AI-powered blockchain projects. The US election and new political stance on crypto. Overall, it was a great year for the industry. Number 2. Bitcoin remains king and outperformed all traditional assets. Bitcoin had one of its strongest years ever, and by December 2024, it had dominated the market with a 54% share, the highest it's been in years. But here is what really pushed Bitcoin's rally. US politics played a major role. Throughout 2024, there was a lot of uncertainty in the crypto space. The SEC, that's the US Securities and Exchange Commission, was still cracking down on crypto projects. Banks were hesitant about blockchain businesses and investors were worried about stricter regulations. Then, Donald Trump made a crypto part of his election campaign. He openly supported Bitcoin mining, calling it an essential industry for the US. He opposed the creation of a central bank digital currency, CBDC, which reassured investors who feared excessive government control. He met with crypto industry leaders and suggested the US should lead in blockchain innovation instead of suppressing it. The market responded immediately. As soon as Donald Trump started making pro-crypto statements and made the first Bitcoin transfers, Bitcoin broke past the $50,000 mark for the first time in years. In the final months leading up to the election, Bitcoin surged over 100%, largely due to the increase in confidence that a Donald Trump victory would mean a more favorable government environment for crypto. And when Donald Trump officially won the presidency in November, Bitcoin crossed the $65,000 mark, signaling the return of a full-on bull market. This wasn't just about speculation, but institutional investors started pouring back into the Bitcoin market because they saw a friendlier political landscape coming in 2025. To put it simply, Bitcoin didn't just outperform traditional assets like stocks and gold. It thrived on bullish sentiment driven by the US election. With Trump in office, many investors expected less pressure on exchange, DeFi project, and mining operations, which means Bitcoin could even see bigger gains in 2025. If there is one lesson from 2024, it's that politics and crypto are now deeply interconnected. The markets react fast to big political changes. The 2024 US election and its crypto impact. One of the biggest game changers for crypto this year wasn't a new blockchain or a major hack. It was the US presidential election in November. The election directly impacted the crypto market, and here is why. In 2023 and early 2024, US regulators were cracking down hard on crypto. The SEC went after major exchanges, new token launches, and even DeFi projects. Many investors were worried about stricter government regulations. Then Donald Trump won the presidency in November, and guess what? Trump is crypto-friendly. His campaign openly supported Bitcoin mining and opposed a central bank digital currency, CBDC. He even met with crypto leaders and said the US should be the leader in blockchain innovation. Within weeks, crypto prices soared because investors saw a friendlier regulatory environment coming. By December, there were already talks about pro-crypto policies, which could include clearer rules for crypto businesses, reduced pressure from regulators like SEC, potential tax benefits for crypto investors. This political shift played a big role in crypto's last year's surge. Final thoughts. So, what's next for crypto in 2025? So, what does all this mean for a future of crypto? Here is my key takeaway. Bitcoin is stronger than ever and could hit new highs in 2025, continuing the momentum from 2024 halving events. AI and blockchain are merging, creating new opportunities. Ethereum and Solana are battling out for DeFi dominance. The US election and the incoming new administration could bring more pro-crypto policies, which may drive even more adoption. Centralized exchanges are still dominant, but regulation could shake things up. If 2024 was a comeback year, then 2025 might be the year of innovation and political change. Right now, in 2025, the crypto market is having a bit of a dip. And it's mainly because people are feeling unsure about the changes coming in with the new Trump administration. Even though they are trying to make things better for crypto, some policies are still being figured out, so investors are playing it safe. Plus, the economy is a bit shaky with new taxes on imports and tariffs. You know, the Trump favorite word, tariffs, making people move their money into safer investment like gold. To make things worse, a big crypto exchange, Bybit, just got hacked, which spooked the market even more. Bottom line is, things are a bit uncertain right now, but once the dust settles and confidence comes back, we might see prices recover. But for now, patience and caution are key. I'll be keeping an eye on this trend and sharing updates with you. If you really enjoyed this video, don't just go like. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead in the crypto space. What are your thoughts on this report? Drop it in the comment below. It's your public tech advisor. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Cheers.